This is with the baffles out. The baffles are here all shined up and whatever, ready to go in about 10 minutes. Rev it, Trev. All being lovingly restored, every bolt greased, everything sprayed, put back together. Looks alright, sounds alright, and it's a nice bike. Just wants a good polish, and it's bang on. It's ready for the road. Took us over a year. Well, sorry, took us over a week to get it back together. Every day messing about with bits and bobs, but it's all been resprayed. All calipers been refreshed and resprayed. It's all got braided lines, brand new braided lines on it, and fresh oil in it, fresh petrol and everything, so it's ready for the road now. New brake discs and shoes, and it's a beauty. That's quality, that one. Even though wheels have been shined up and brand new tyres on it. 225 quid for tyres. As you can see, it's only done 7,549 miles genuine, and since it had full engine rebuild 3 years ago, it's only done 14 miles. So,
and new inner tubes.
And new inner tubes and all, so new tyres and inner tubes. Everything's been roughly shined up and put back together and greased and everything, and resprayed, and it's beautiful. A new chain and sprocket on it, and everything's been done, so that's ready for the road, apart from a shine up and baffles back in, ready for the road. So next week I'll be insuring this. Thanks for watching, bye.